What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man back at it, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell your sneakers through StockX, man, the right way in 2020. I know it's a lot of you guys out there right now that want to get some of those dead stock sneakers that you bought off impulse. You really don't want no more, or if you're just trying to lessen the collection, man. As you guys see, I have a lot of shoes back there, and a lot of them are dead stock, and I can always go through StockX and sell them, get my money back, or make a little bit more depending on what they're going for on StockX. So before we get too far into it right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, man. We're on the ground of 30,000 subscribers. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and like the video right now. That will show YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. If you're part of the Vintage gang, you already know you gotta hit the like button right now. And if you guys don't mind, please head over to Instagram and follow me at The Vintage World. It will be linked down below, so you can do it before the video, or you can save it for after the video after you get these steps on how to successfully sell your sneakers through StockX, man. So with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this video. Let's get it. So throughout this whole video, I'm gonna throw like screenshots or me actually about to like sell a sneaker. Recently, I've been selling a lot of my sneakers out of my collection. I did a live stream and I was telling you guys, I'm selling all my sneakers, man, and most of them are steadily going. If you guys don't know, I have a website linked down below. It's devintageworld.bigcartel.com, and I'm selling a lot of shoes that I have not worn in over a year. It's shoes that I haven't even touched in my collection since I moved from Germany last year. So it's a lot of shoes that I really don't care about anymore. I have my fun in them, but now at this point, I feel like I have too many shoes, man. So I started weeding through what I really don't want, and I start throwing them on the site. So if you want to go buy you some shoes, man, go check it out down below. But for this video, of course, I have been selling through StockX for at least the past 2 months, man. I sold a pair of my Bread 11s that I had. You guys know I had 3 pair of those joints, and I was like, I don't really need 3 pairs, so I went ahead and I sold a pair of my Bread 11s through StockX, as well as my Travis Scott 6s. As you guys do know, I really made a huge mistake late night, you know what I'm saying? It was an impulse buy. I bought the Travis Scott 6s. I really didn't want them. You guys seen my review over them when the shoe dropped, and I was kind of expressing my feelings like they really not all that. I definitely don't think they're worth $1,000, man. So I went ahead and I sold my shoes back on StockX, got my money back, and it's very easy. So I know you guys are here to see how to kind of do it. I'm gonna give you guys some tips. So first things first, man, I really feel like this app is very easy to use, man. All you have to do, if you don't have the app already, man, download StockX. And by the way, this video isn't sponsored. I gotta throw that out there right now. I'm just trying to help my subscribers out there that want to start selling their dead stock kicks through StockX, man. So this video ain't sponsored. I'm just strictly helping you guys out. So while you scroll on the app, man, whatever shoe you have in your collection that is dead stock, all you have to do is find that shoe on StockX. Very simple, man. You can go ahead and search for whatever shoe you want to sell. And for me, like I said, I just sold the Bread 11, so I searched Bread 11, man. It's like one of the most popular selling sneakers through StockX right now on the front page. All you gotta do is click that shoe, and at the top, of course, it asks you what size you want to buy, what's the lowest ask for that shoe, and also on the right, man, you have the sale feature, man. That's what you guys are strictly going to be worried about today in this video. Go over to the sell section on whatever shoe you want to sell, and right next to sell, man, you see the highest bid. And with that highest bid is really clutch, in my opinion. You don't have to wait for anybody to buy the shoe from you. All you have to do is go to one of the highest bids if you want to get that shoe out of your hands that day. It would ask you if the shoes are dead stock. It would ask you if you have like the original box and stuff like that. And all you have to do is click yes on both of the boxes. And StockX allows you 3 to 4 days, I believe, 3 to 4 business days to drop your shoes off at UPS, man. They strictly go through UPS. You go over to your account on StockX and it would tell you selling, and under selling it says current, pending, and history. So right now I'm gonna tell you guys that I have 100% authentication passed through StockX. I made $2,315, and that was only 6 sales, man. So you can definitely make a lot of money off the shoes you have that you really don't want. Get that money back in your account, and I'm gonna let you guys see right here what shoes I sold through StockX and how much I made, man. So StockX is very clutch. Like I said, 100% authentication pass. That's always a plus for me, and it's kind of like hassle-free in my opinion. After you get the sale confirmation on whatever you sold through StockX, all you have to do is go to print label, go to your computer, print it off, and it'll allow you to print off 2 sheets. The first one is the shipping label, and the second one is whatever you sold, pretty much like the description of what you sold that goes inside the box. So whenever StockX opens it, they know exactly who sold it, they know who to get the money to, and they know where the shoe is going to through the order number. After you ship the shoes off, it takes about 3 or 4 days for StockX to authenticate your shoes, and then they cut you whatever you made off that shoe. And that's pretty much it, man. But once you sell that shoe, whatever you do, if you take the highest bid, if someone accepts your bid, all you have to do is go under the pending section of whatever you're selling, and you will be able to see the status. So I dropped off my shoes yesterday, and it says en route to StockX for authentication. And pretty much if you guys have ever bought shoes and you see like the status of whatever you're buying, the same thing reflects over to the seller. But it stops after a certain while, of course. If you're a seller, it stops after you get that your shoe was authenticated, and then StockX sends your money straight through PayPal, man. It's very, very simple. The faster you ship your shoes to StockX, the faster you get your money. So as soon as I sell shoes, I definitely try to get right to it, try to go right up to UPS up the street and drop off that shoe so I can get that money back in the account, man. Like I said, as of now, I made over $2,000. I just sold my Travis Scott 6s, and I just sold my Bread 11s that I tripled up on, man. So I feel like StockX is very, very easy to use. This is pretty much a review for you guys, whoever wants to start selling. I'm gonna go through the apps, different apps, of course. I'm gonna tell you guys how to sell through them, and I'm also give you guys some more tips on how to buy, man. It's a new year, and I feel like I gotta drop the knowledge on whoever is about to start selling sneakers or about to start buying sneakers. I feel like every year it's a new wave of sneakerheads, sneaker resellers, and I want to be there for you guys to give you some tips on how to be successful on selling and buying in 2020, man. My goal on YouTube right now is to definitely help whoever is kind of lost or stagnant about selling or starting to buy sneakers. I know I was the same way when I first started. I didn't know what shoes to buy. I didn't even know what retros were. At a certain point, of course, I started knowing everything, but it always takes time. And I wish I would have knew about sneaker YouTube back then, because I would have been a lot more knowledgeable than what I am now. So whatever knowledge I know, I would definitely relate to the Vintage Gang. All you gotta do is subscribe and hit the notification bell for you boys so you never miss another video. I try to help you guys out on everything that I come across and drop tips, of course, on how to cop shoes. And like I'm doing now, I'm giving you tips on how to sell your sneakers through StockX, man. Believe it or not, it's a lot of people that don't know about StockX. It's a lot of people that don't even know about the sneakers app. I was the same way when I was coming up through this whole sneaker journey, whatever you want to call it. So hopefully this video definitely helps you out on selling your sneakers through StockX. I appreciate everybody that tuned into this video. Hope you guys learned something. I hope I was able to give you guys some tips on how to start selling through StockX. And I hope it was somebody out there that watched this video that I was like, I don't really want to start selling shoes out of my collection. But if you don't need them, man, go ahead and make it some money back, get your money in the account and re-up. Make sure you guys give this video a like. Please head over to Instagram and follow me at The Vintage World. It will be linked down below. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already, and ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video or live stream that drops on the channel. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.